Today on my channel, I will be teaching you how to prepare Thai marinated beef stir fry. Come with me guys and I'll show you the ingredients I will be using today. Right here, I've got my celery ready. Here, I've got my chili ready. Here, I've got my bell pepper ready. Here, I've got my diced beef ready. Here, I've got my olive oil ready. Here, I've got my salt to taste ready. Also, I've got my fish and meat sauce ready. Right here, I've got my wok ready. Come with me guys and let's get cooking. I'm going to start by marinating the beef. First, I'm going to add a little bit of my fish sauce into the beef, add salt to taste, rub them together and then cover up with my cling film. Afterwards, I'm going to set it aside for at least 1 hour before we start cooking. As you can see, it's been rubbed in properly and covered. So I'm going to set it aside and start chopping up my vegetables. Ensure you cut your celery exactly the way I did it in my video. You want your celery to be cut nice and thin. I've just finished chopping up the celery. Next is our chili. I'm going to start by taking out the seed in the chili and then chop it. Next is the bell pepper. I'm going to take out the seed and chop it. Like I said, chop it exactly the way I did it in my video. Now it's finished. I've set it aside. This is what my vegetables look like. Now it's time to start frying. I have heated up my wok. Now it's time to add my olive oil. The oil has heated up a little bit. In goes my marinated beef. Fry until your beef is golden brown. The beef has been well fried. It's time to set it aside. Now it's time to start frying my vegetables. In goes oil into my wok. Allow it to heat up a little bit. Now it's time to add my celery. In goes my celery. Stir. Next, in goes my sweet peppers. Stir. Now it's time to add my chili. In goes my chili. You don't have to use 2 chili, you can use just 1 chili if that's what you're happy with. Next, it's time to add my beef. In goes my beef and stir. Look at how colorful and how beautiful my stir fry is looking. Honestly, you can never go wrong with this yummy, delicious stir fry. Almost there. In 1, 2, 3 minutes, it is ready to serve. Look at that. My Thai marinated beef stir fry has been served. It is delicious and mouth-watering. What are you waiting for? Have you already subscribed to my channel? If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, go to the right side of your phone and press subscribe. Also, do not forget to turn on your notification button so whenever I post my video, you will be notified. Do not forget to like, do not forget to share. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Ciao.